Number 1. 3 raised to the power 2x equals what?
8.
8. A bigger font, a larger font.
That's
what does that mean?
8 raised to
No, hold on. See it. Is it 3 raised to the power 2x? Yeah, 3 raised to the power 2x equals 8. Find x. How do you find x?
We find x. 8.
Can you write 8 as a power of 3?
Yes.
No.
8 as the power of 2. No.
No. So what do? This here, you use logarithms. Take logarithms of both sides. That means log 3 raised to the power 2x is equal to log 8. Exactly. If you see that you cannot write this one as a power of this one, then you take logarithms of both sides. Do you understand?
Yes.
And what happens? This one now becomes, you remember the law that says log p raised to the power n base b equals n log p base b. Exactly. So here, log 3 raised to the power x. If they don't put the base, that means it is base 10. Do you understand? Exactly. I don't need to put it. If it's base 10, you don't need to put. If you don't put it, it's the same. So this simply means 2x log 3. Exactly. We can take this out. 2x log 3
And
equals what?
equals
Log 8. Exactly.
Yes.
Do you understand? Now, if you, what do you now do? What do you now do? You can divide through by log 3. Do you know?
Yes. Log 3.
Log 3 cancels log 3. Okay, exactly. And that means 2x is equal to what?
Log 8
Over log 3. Log 8 over log 3. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Now you find the value of what? Log 8
8.
and the value of log 3. Do you understand? That means 2x is equal to, let's check that, log 8 divided by log 3. Log 8 divided by log 3. Are you there? That's what, give me to 4 decimal places. 1.89 what?
1.8927.
28 to 4 decimal places.
Yes, to 4 decimal places.
8928. Do you understand? So what do we do to get x? Divide through by 2. Are you there?
Yes.
And that means what? X equals 2 here 1, 2 in 1, 0, points, carry the 1 here, 2 in 18, 9, 2 in 9, 4, remaining 1, 2 in 12, 6, 2 in 8, 4. And that means x equals what?
0.
You know that this means 2 here 1, 2 here 1. X equals 0.
0.9464.
9464.
9464.
Beautiful. Can you see it?
Yes.
It was 3 raised to the power 2x equals 8. And we saw that we couldn't write 8 as a power of 3. That was why we took logarithms of what?
2.
Of both sides. Can you say that?
Logarithms of both
We took
sides.
logarithms of both sides. Do you understand? We took logarithms of both sides. Exactly. We took logarithms of both sides. And that's it. 0.95. That's approximately 0.95. When you check the options, right, you see that the answers are correct to 2 decimal places. You write your own correct 2 decimal places too. Exactly. So let's go to the second, number 2. What does number 2 say?
Number 2.
If 2 log x plus 3 log 5, let's write it. 2 log, what's it? 2 log what? 2 log x plus what?
2.
3 log 5 minus what?
7.
7 log 2 equals 3. Exactly. What did they say? What's the question? Find the value of x, right?
Yes.
Good. So look at that. You know that we've done logarithms. I hope you can remember that.
Yes.
Good. So look at that. 2 log x plus 3 log 5 minus 7 log 2 equals 3.
Yes.
Do you know the rule? You know that when we say log p base b plus log, if log p base b plus,
Log
no, you know that log p base b plus log q base b is the same as log pq base b. Before you can do it this way, you must make sure that the coefficient here is 1. You know, if I don't write anything, it means 1 log p base b. If it is not 1, if I write it this way, for example, 2 log p base b plus maybe 3 log q base b. Before you say it is equal to log this one times this one to the same base, exactly, you must move this here. Exactly. And you must make sure that they have the same base. Exactly, before you combine them. So this one will become, the first thing to do here is to write it as log p raised to the power 2 base b plus log q raised to the power 3 base b. This is where we can combine it. We can see now that their coefficients are 1s. So we can now say it is equal to log p squared times q raised to the power 3 base b. Exactly. So it is the same thing that we are doing here, that we're going to do here. It's the same thing that we're going to do here. Look at that. It's the same thing that we're going to do here. Let's take this out. It's the same thing that we're going to do here. Are you there?
Yes.
2 log x. I can see that all of them are in what base?
All of them are in base.
If the base is not, if the base is not written, base 10.
Base
If
10.
they don't write it,
Yes.
that means it's in base 10.
Base
Exactly.
10, yes.
So all of them are in base 10.
10.
So first of all, I want to make sure that their coefficients are ones. So I'm going to write it as log x is power 2 plus what?
Plus log 5 is power 2.
Minus what?
Log 2 is power minus
2 is power 7.
yes.
Exactly. Just
Equals
leave the minus. Equals 3. Beautiful. Now you can combine them. This one is addition. Addition, multiply. Division, subtract. So subtraction, divide. Addition, multiply. Subtraction, divide. So this will become log open bracket x raised to power 2 times 5 raised to power 3 over 2 raised to power 7. Do you understand? Are you sure?
Yes.
Good. And what does that mean?
Equals
Hold on a sec. Let me write this well. What does that mean? Log x raised to power 5 raised to power 3 is 125 times x squared. That's 125 x squared over 2 raised to power 7 is what?
2 is 128.
128. Beautiful. So that's log 128. Beautiful. Log 125x squared over 128 equals what? 3. Now don't forget that there's a base 10 here. It is in base 10. So write this in index form. What does that become when you write it in index form?
Log.
Write it.
Okay,
There won't be log with it.
3
Is it 3?
raised to power
Is it 3?
10.
10 raised to power.
125. 10 raised to power 3
Beautiful. 10 raised to power 3.
equals
The word is 3. Can you say that? 3. Beautiful. 10 raised to power 3.
10 raised to power 3
Beautiful. Equals what?
was 125x squared
125x squared divided by what?
divided by 128.
Beautiful. 120. Beautiful. I'm happy you have learned that. That's beautiful. You can write index in log form and log in index form. Beautiful. So, you know that 10 raised to power 3 means 1000
Yes.
equals 125x squared divided by 128. Are you there? And that means what?
1000.
Let's do cross multiplication. You know this means 1000 by 1. 1 times 125x squared, that's 125x squared equals, let me write the square properly, equals 1000 times 128. What do we do to get x squared? Divide through by 125. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
125 in 125 is 1. 125 here 1. What's 125 in 1000?
125.
Let's cut it.
1005.
Let's cut it in bits. Let's cut it. 5 in 125. 5 in 12, 2. Remaining 2. 5 in 25, 5. 5 in 10, 2. 5 in 0, 0. 5 in 0, 0. 5 here. 5 here, 5. 5 here. 5 in 20, 4. 5 in 0, 0. 5 here, 1. 5 here, what? 8. Do you understand? So that means x squared equals what?
8 times 128.
8 times 128. And what's that? Let's check it. 128 times 8. 8 times 8, 64. 4 carry 6. 8 times 2, 16 plus 6, 22. 2 carry 2. 8 times 1, 8 plus 2, 10. X squared equals 1024. So x is equal to what? Square root of 1024. You know how to do that, don't you?
Yes. 1000.
Let's work it out. 1024. We have to write the square root of it. 2 in 10, 5. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 4, 2. 2 in 5, 2. Remaining 1. 2 in 11, 5. Remaining 1. 2 in 12, 6. 2. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 5, 2. Remaining 1. 2 in 16, 8. 2 in 12, 6. 2 in 8, 4. 2 in 6, 3. 2 in 4, 2. 2 in 3, 1. 16. 2, 8. 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. Are you there? So what's the, let's go. For the square root, you pick one of the two that are the same. Exactly. So what's the answer? 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 2, 32. So x equals what?
32.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. I
Okay.
understand that.
Okay. Number 3, what does that say? Now let's go. Solve 16 raised to the power 3x equals what? 1 over 4 into bracket 32 raised to the power x minus 1. What do we do here?
Log.
No, there's no logarithm here now.
Okay, there's no log.
Don't you know that we can write all of this? Don't you know that we can write all of this as powers of 2?
Okay.
Exactly. First of all, you can do it this way. See, you can do it this way. You can do this, right? Let's write it this way first. This is the same as saying 16 raised to the power 3x. 1 times this is going to be 32 raised to the power x minus 1 over 4, so that you don't get confused. Do you understand?
Yes.
You can go that way. Is that clear?
Yes.
And that means what? 16 raised to the power
2x
equals what?
32.
No. I'm rewriting the same thing. Now, what can I do now? I can now do cross multiplication. That means 16 raised to the power 3x times 4 equals what?
32 raised to the power x minus 1.
Good. Now, can't you, in what can you write all of this?
The base of 2.
What common, beautiful, is that clear?
Yes.
In what base can you write all of these
Base,
so that they can be the
Base
same?
10.
Base 2,
base 2, yes.
exactly.
Yes.
Or what power can you express all of these as to make them uniform? 2. Write all of them as powers of 2. You can write all of them as powers of 2.
2 raised to the power 4.
Beautiful. That's 2 raised to the power 4
2
times
raised to the power
3x.
2.
Do you know?
Yes. 2
Times
raised to the
2 raised to the power 2 equals
2
what?
raised to the power 5.
2 raised to the power 5 into bracket what?
Into bracket
X
x
minus
minus
1.
1.
Do you understand?
Yes.
And that means what? 2 raised to the power what?
4 times 3, 12x.
4 times 3x, 12x, beautiful. Times 2 raised to the power 2 equals what? 2 raised to the power
5x minus 5.
fantastic. Slowly and steadily. Is that clear? You don't have to be in a hurry. Hurriedness will just, land you in a pit. Is that clear?
Yes.
So what does that mean? A raised to the power x times a raised to the power y equals a raised to the power x plus y. So what does this become?
This one, 2 raised to the power 12x plus 2
Fantastic. Equals 2 raised to the power
5x minus 5.
Beautiful. Let me write that properly. 2 raised to the power 5x minus 5. Beautiful. Now, when the bases are the same, what happens to the powers?
The
Powers are
powers
equal.
will be equal.
Beautiful. You can equate the powers when the bases are the same. Beautiful. So that means 12x plus 2 equals what?
Equals
5x minus 5. Are you there?
Yes.
And what does that mean? I'm going to write my x properly. That means what? Collect like terms. 12x minus
5 plus 5x.
when 5x goes to the left hand side,
Yes,
it becomes minus 5x now.
12x
Equals what?
minus
Minus
5
5. When plus 2 goes to the right hand side, what does it become?
Minus 2.
So, and what does that mean? 12x minus 5x is what?
That's 7.
7x. Beautiful. Equals what?
Equals minus 7.
Minus 7. Great. And what do we do to get x? Exactly.
Yes.
X equals what?
Minus 1.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Do you understand?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Beautiful. What's the next one?
4.
Number 4. Simplify log 8 base 5 divided by log root 8 base 5. Exactly. And that's equal to what?
Log.
See that this simply means this is the simplest of them. That means log 8 base 5 over log root 8 is the same as log 8 raised to the power half. Are you sure you understand that?
Yes.
I hope you understand indeed. You are not just saying yes, okay?
Log
8 raised to the power half.
The two of them belong.
Base 5. Exactly. Now that simply means log 8 base 5 over log 8 raised to the power half is log 8 raised to the power half base 5 is same as half log 8 base 5. Do you know? Do you know?
Yes.
If you want to write it this way, you move this half, make this half the power of 8. Exactly. So what happens? Log 8 base 5 here 1, log 8 base 5 here 1. And the answer is what? 1 over
2. 1 over 2.
1 over half. There's 1 here now.
Okay,
The answer is 1 over 1 over 1 over 2. Exactly. And that's what? 1 divided by 1 over 2 means what? 1 times 2 over 1. Do you understand?
Yes.
This means 1 divided by 1 over 2, which is 1 times 2 over 1. And the answer is what?
2.
Number 5. What does it say?
2 raised to the power x.
What's the instruction?
Find the value of x.
Oh, let's see it. Given that 2 raised to the power x equals 0.125, find the value of x. Good. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. 2 raised to the power x equals what?
0.125.
Find the value of x. What do we do here?
We will index 1.
It's already in index form now.
Okay,
Can you see logarithm? First of all, write this one. Reduce this one to its simplest, lowest term. 0.125 is the same as what? Beautiful. 125 over 1000. 5 here 25. 5 here 200. 5 here 5. 5 here 40. 5 here 1. 5 here 8. So that means it is the same as saying 2 raised by x equals 1 over 8. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now, what does that mean? 2 raised to the power x equals 1 over 8 as the power of 2 is what?
2 raised to the power 3.
Beautiful. And what does that mean? 2 raised to the power x equals, write this one, clear the fraction. Write it as a power of 2.
As the power of 2.
Yes, write it without the fraction.
Which one?
This 1 over 2 raised to the power 3.
That's 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 0.
What are you saying?
2 raised to the power 0.
1 over 2 is the same as 2 raised to the power minus 1. 1 over 2 raised to the power 1 is the same as 2 raised to the power minus 1. 1 over 2 raised to the power 2 is the same as 2 raised to the power minus 2. Have you forgotten?
Okay,
A raised to the power minus x, same as 1 over a raised to the power
2
x.
raised to the power minus 3.
Uncle, you shouldn't forget that. You shouldn't forget that for any reason. So, x is therefore equal to what?
X is equals to minus 3.
Fantastic. Minus 3. X equals minus 3, therefore. Fantastic. Exactly. X equals minus 3. Exactly. And that's it. Do you understand?
Yes.
Is that the last one?
Yes.
Good. That's it. So it's as simple as that.